Listen up, guys. Today is a day that you're going to remember for the rest of your lives. Today, I am going to show you how to pack a box with my baby doll.
All packing supplies are ready to go.
Bubble wrap. Here, hold this. Item is secure. No room for motion.
The box is too big.
That's impossible. I packed it perfectly.
No, it's too tall. It can bounce around and be smashed to bits.
Snap out of it, man. I need you. Box cutter. First incision. Bubble wrap. Tape! Tape! Come on, man!
I can't find it!
Welcome back, son. Let's tape this box, team, and wrap this baby up.
It was an honor working with you, as always, sir.
I know.
Doll is intact, nothing broken.
And that's why you always pack things the right way with the right materials. STORExpress, more than storage. We sell boxes and all your needed packing materials. Okay, team. Today, we're upping the stakes. We're going to pack my mother's valuable and delicate teacup set. Okay, let's start bringing them over. Okay, buddy, we'll take them from here. Good job today, everybody.
It was an honor working with you, as always, sir.
You too, good job today.
Tea time is still on, nothing broken.
And that's why you always pack things the right way with the right materials. Oh boy. STORExpress, more than storage. We sell boxes and all your needed packing materials. Okay, so how is everybody feeling today?
Okay.
I noticed the group was having some trouble with some basics, so today we're going to learn how to tape a box. First, we pick up the box and put it upside down. Then we open the box, fold it together, set it up. No. It's okay. We take the tape and we put it over the seam. Nope, it's okay. I got it. We seal up the seams. Then we do the top.
I'd just like to say again, it is an honor to work with you, sir.
Oh, I know. I had heroes too before I became great.
Touch me. What? Come on, just a quick touch. Come on. It'll be fun. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
No!
Are you alright, sir?
Yeah. It looks like he's gone. But the box is okay!
You did it again, sir!
And that's why you always pack the right way with the right materials. StoreXpress, more than storage. We sell boxes and all your needed packing materials.